All right, so I got your guys' the details about the proof, and we did want to add a couple things to this. So we wanted to actually remove the Peters as the last name from the person. So just be my name is Priscilla. So I'll just go ahead and type that out for you guys, so you guys have that. So we really would like something like this. Pull this up. Okay, so it would just be like Dear Daniel, or homeowner's name. So in this case, it'd be Daniel. My name is Priscilla, and I'm looking to buy property at 2726 Roosevelt Lane. So just like that, if you guys could do that, so just remove the Peters from the postcards. And then the second thing that we also wanted to do is we wanted to add this logo, this one right here. And I'll go ahead and put this in. You just go ahead and put that probably at the bottom of every postcard if you can fit it in, kind of a little bit skinnier, like that. And just put it along the bottom. That would be great. And I think if we can get another proof, well, I mean, in this case, if you guys feel, because I'm looking at the space right now, maybe it might be better to fit it here, but kind of wherever you feel it might be best for us to put that in, or it might be better for us to put in this logo. We can just take this one and just put it like right here in the center. Actually, that might be the best idea for us. If you want to take this logo and just go ahead and put it in right in this kind of white spot, then that'd be great just for branding. So I'll go ahead and send you guys over this video. I'll also go ahead and send you over the logo, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much.